पता नहीं मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ ये सब, but of course now I feel home in Bombay. Now I'm a Bombay girl. Now I belong to India. और हालांकि मैं ही ट्रेटर थी और मुझे ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ही सब कुछ पता था क्योंकि इनोसेंस को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कौन क्या है क्या चल रहा है. I was planning everything with my fellow traders, right? Me and Purav are not in touch much. We have each other on Instagram. I see what he does. I think he sees what I do. But we're not in touch much. See, the world also moves on and you do so many different things. And एक तो हम सब इतना busy हैं कि
ट्रेडर्स की जर्नी ने कितनी शेप करी है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है ये. देखो, ट्रेडर्स ने it didn't only change my career in a way, it changed me as a person. I am not the same Alnaz that I was before Traders.
Right?
Yeah, and I can tell you that confidently. मुझे कब से ये दिखाना था कि मेरे से हो रहा है और मैं कर सकती हूँ और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर सकती हूँ. So Masti gave me that, you know, and also चल ठीक है मैं यहाँ से नहीं हूँ पर ऐसा लगता नहीं है,
Right?
you know. So I always say I'm Iranian. I grew up in Germany, but my heart is Indian. You know, like I feel I belong to all three countries. देखो, traders ने it didn't only change my career in a way, it changed me as a person. I am not the same Alnaz that I was before Traders.
Right?
Yeah, and I can tell you that confidently.
Hi Alnaz, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You know, we loved your promotional looks, we loved the movie, we loved your character. I really want to ask about it, that the first time we are seeing in Masti 4, that ki, you know, boys भी हैं, गर्ल्स भी हैं, बट जो मेन फोकस किया गया है ना कहीं राइटर ने वो लड़कियों को लेकर लिखा है ना, लड़कियों को लेकर ध्यान में रखते हुए उनको भी वो उज़ा दिया है. आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू, हाउ वाज इट शूटिंग व्हाइल?
देखो, जो आपने अभी बोला ना, जो स्क्रिप्ट में है कि लड़कियों के लिए भी करने को कुछ है ना, वो मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था. जब मस्ती 4 स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास आई थी तब मैंने सोचा कि यार मस्ती करना है नहीं करना है, क्या है, यू नो हाउ इट इज, एवरीबॉडी हैज अ टाइप ऑफ परसेप्शन, राइट? तो फिर स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि ये स्क्रिप्ट में ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे हमेशा मस्ती, तीनों मस्तीज में it was all about the boys.
Yes,
always,
yes,
right?
Yes. That's why I mentioned you. Masti 4 was the only movie, जितनी भी फ्रेंचाइजी है मस्ती के, उसमें से मस्ती 4 में I think writer has focused mainly कि गर्ल्स को वो तजुर्बा भी दिया जाए जो बॉयज को दिया गया है, which is the best part.
अब अभी भी हम 2024 2025 में हैं और अभी सब सीख रहे हैं कि ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ लड़के कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, you know. Women are as powerful and women can also do whatever they want if they set it into their minds. चलो ठीक है, अभी मस्ती में वो सब मस्ती के साथ हुआ है, पर मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगा स्क्रिप्ट में कि I wasn't just the wife, but I was somebody who gave you freedom, पर उसके बदले में मैंने अपना फ्रीडम भी ले लिया.
करेक्ट
है ना?
करेक्ट.
और ये चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट था कि मूवी चले या ना चले, कम से कम मैंने जो स्क्रिप्ट चुना है ये है कि it's not just one sided,
right?
And that's very important for me, right? So and on top of that, कब से मुझे कॉमेडी करना था.
True.
मुझे कब से ये दिखाना था कि मेरे से हो रहा है और मैं कर सकती हूँ और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर सकती हूँ. So Masti gave me that, you know, and also I've always been doing the sacred games and the abhays and the rannitis,
great characters,
you know,
yes, light.
So I was like, चलो कुछ और करते हैं, थोड़ा दिखाते हैं कि रेंज है, you know.
You relate with it, that your character के साथ वो मस्ती वाला चीज.
देखो, Bindia is a little cuckoo, I feel like, because how can you bring homeless people into your own home?
Yeah.
And give everybody else so much importance and not your own husband. तो वो उसमें तो कोई relatability नहीं है, मैं तो relate नहीं कर सकती उसमें बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मैं वैसा ही हूँ जो लोग मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हैं मैं उनको इम्पोर्टेंस देती हूँ और प्रायोरिटाइज भी करती हूँ.
Correct. I was coming to that only. She prioritize her people, everything around her, which is priority to her.
Yeah.
She mean
Is
make
wrong.
sure.
Is
Yeah,
wrong,
yeah.
right? You prioritizing. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है that you are helping people, homeless people. You have empathy. इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. But leaving your first priorities, which is your family and your husband, for that, वो थोड़ा मैं समझ नहीं सकती. पर वो भी है ना ये स्क्रिप्ट में वो that's why it's funny, right? That's why it's stupid. पर मुझे पता बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अपने priorities को they don't keep it in the right place, right? So I don't really relate with Bindiya that way, but yeah, it was a fun character to play.
Yeah, I'm sure अगर ये शूट भी हो रही होगी तो बहुत फन किया होगा आप लोगों ने. वीडियोस से पता चल रहा है. आपके 1-2 वीडियोस भी वायरल हो गए, है ना, फ्लाइट वाले.
Yes. अरे मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा इन लोगों को कन्विंस करने में कि ये करते हैं. नहीं क्यों करना है वगैरह वगैरह. अरे मैंने बोला कर लो ना. You know it's going to be fun and people really liked it.
Yes.
And I have a thing for, you know, making fun stuff on social media. I feel like वो सब चलता है.
True.
You know, people like watching all of that.
They like and they share it. Na,
and yeah, as much I'm personally a very very serious person in life. But I do have that fun side and कभी-कभी अच्छा लगता है वो सब दिखाना.
True, I should make more of it. I think. नहीं. But how was it shooting with everyone? Ritesh, we had Vivek, Aftab, everyone. How was it?
A lot of fun. See, I know Ritesh and Aftab from the CCL team that we have, and I'm the brand ambassador of Mumbai Heroes as well. So I meet them every year when we go for the matches. So I know their families also because of that constantly. So Ritesh and Aftab, there was a familiarity already. Vivek was quite new for me, but Vivek is also like, he's the masti khor of the group. So he would always make fun. He would always make sure that we have something to talk about and something to laugh about. And, you know, he would poke everybody with things he would say. So in that sense, we had a lot of fun on set. It was a good chemistry between all of us.
Correct. But alas, to your personal question, I will be asking that, you know, you came to India from Iran. That transition, do you see it evolving now?
Yeah.
है ना?
See, I didn't even come to India from Iran. I came to India from Germany. Means I migrated once and I went to Germany. I was very new there. I didn't know the language. I didn't belong. It took me many years. फिर वहाँ पे जब मुझे लगा कि चलो ठीक है, I'm finally belonging, I left that and I came to India. Didn't know the language, didn't know the people, didn't belong. So I feel like मुझे जिंदगी में बार-बार मैं पता नहीं मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ ये सब. But of course now I feel home in Bombay. Now I'm a Bombay girl. Now I belong to India. ऐसा फीलिंग मेरे में है, मुझ में है नहीं कि मैं यहाँ से नहीं हूँ. चलो ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से नहीं हूँ पर ऐसा लगता नहीं है.
Right.
You know. So I always say I'm Iranian. I grew up in Germany, but my heart is Indian. You know, like I feel I belong to all three countries.
Yes, totally. Yeah. But the roles you're getting, you're satisfied with it?
Why not? I mean, looking at, for example, okay, let's start from Sacred Games.
Sacred Games.
I got to play two characters, if you look at it like that.
Yes.
I played a vulnerable Jamila.
Yep.
I played a very strong Zoya.
Yeah.
In Ranneti, I played an undercover agent.
Yes.
In Abhay, I played this girl who was totally in love with Abhay.
Yes.
But in the background, she was just so crazy about him that she would kill somebody for it, right? Strong, you know, police. Then in Masti, I'm playing a wife who's very helpful but also a little bit stupid. So I'm loving the fact that I'm getting to play these roles that have different ranges, right? Made in Heaven, again.
Yes.
Made in Heaven, I played an actress, a Bollywood actress who is very, very powerful, you know, but also very arrogant and very funny. I'm happy. I'm happy with the range that I'm getting. And of course, it's just the beginning of my journey. And
Right.
there's so much time and there's so much work coming my way where I can play so many more different characters. So I'm very excited about it.
Right, but there are time जहाँ पे आपने ये सोचा है कि नहीं let's do this one because I need to be there because इतना कुछ चल रहा है आसपास everyone is going through में left out ना हो जाए something like that.
लेफ्ट आउट ना हो जाए नहीं, क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे सोचोगे तो maybe you might just choose the wrong thing. So I'm not thinking like that. But for example, Masti I chose because I wanted to do comedy. And I've been wanting to do comedy since a long time. And I was like, I'll get to do something else. So there are many reasons as to why you choose a project, right? Kabhi kabhi you do it for the director, kabhi kabhi you do it for the script, kabhi kabhi you do it because you want to start out in that kind of a environment, like how I did Kandahar because I wanted to do Hollywood, or how I did Tehran on Apple TV Plus.
Yes.
So it just, as an actor, you have so many different reasons as to why you choose a project.
Something you're waiting for crazy, like मेरे को ये करना ही है अब. I'm just waiting कुछ ऐसा आ जाए.
I want a crazy, like I would love to play a schizophrenic, crazy person in a thriller. I feel like that would need so much of my being and so much of my craft as an actor. I would have to learn so much about how it is when you are mentally not doing very well, and how it is that you think in two ways, right? As a schizophrenic, you imagine things, right?
True.
So I would love to play a character like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Any director or any actor who have just inspired you कि यार while working अगर कभी आपने काम किया उन लोगों के साथ तो यार नहीं something inspired you of them.
So obviously, I mean, that's a very generic answer, but it's because he's so wonderful that it has become a generic answer for everybody. But Shah Rukh Khan is very inspiring. The way he works, the way he behaves, the way he is, his work ethic is just very, very inspiring. And he really inspires me a lot. Then Angelina Jolie, I think, as an actress and as a human being also. If I would choose a director who is very inspiring, who I have unfortunately not worked with, but I really would like to work with Sriram Raghavan sir.
Wow.
He is a director that I would be like, oh my god, that would be really a dream to work with. And, you know, and I had this thought about Zoya Akhtar. I had this thought about Zoya Akhtar many years back, and in my mind I was also thinking, why would she work with me? You know, like, how would I ever get to work with her? That's when in the beginning of my career, when I didn't know anybody in the city, right? Yeah. And then I got to work with her. And she directed me. You know, she actually directed me in Made in Heaven.
Yes.
Because Made in Heaven had so many different directors, but she was the one who directed me.
Yeah.
So I do see things as a possibility, and I love to work with people who inspire me. That's like the ultimate goal, right?
Okay.
To work with someone who has inspired you forever.
Yes, absolutely. Lots of question on your skincare, ma'am.
अच्छा.
On your Instagram, if you see the messages, क्या है आपका skincare?
या पता नहीं लोग मुझसे क्यों पूछते हैं ये बार-बार.
बता दो फिर. आपने बताया होगा कहीं लोगों को.
मैंने बोला है हाँ. See, my skincare is not that crazy. It's just a few steps, but few clean steps. Again, something that I keep saying is that people just skip the whole toner part, right? You remove your makeup, you wash your face with a good face wash, and not with like sabun or anything like that. And then you use a toner. I think my thing that is really helping me is a good toner. And then after the toner, you do your serums and your moisturizer, and that's it, honestly. There doesn't need to be too much to it. Of course, beach में you do masks, under eye mask, whatever mask and all of that. जो मैं करती हूँ, हालांकि मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि उसके लिए भी टाइम चाहिए ना, 15-20 मिनट उसके साथ बैठना before makeup every time is also not easy. But just pay attention, use good products, and make sure, oh my god, make sure you take your makeup off at night. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है जो मेकअप के साथ जाते हैं, सो जाते हैं. ऐसे कैसे? Like it's like कैसे कर सकते हो? And I'm sure there are a lot of people in this room who are guilty of that. No, I'm kidding.
Me. you love
नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं, you're correct, truly. But you love sports because you've been brand ambassador to CSL.
Yeah,
and
oh
we
my God.
see the videos cheering
Yes,
up like
I
anything.
love cricket. I love cricket. I have started to love cricket, and it has become a thing. Like when I see, like in the gym, I'm in the gym and then suddenly you see the TV is on and the cricket is on. I forget what I was doing. I'll go and I watch what is happening, who is scoring what. And I wasn't like this. I didn't know cricket before I came to India. For us, it's always football, right?
Correct.
Iranians do
Yes,
football.
yeah.
Germans are big on football.
Footballs.
तो हमारे वहाँ क्रिकेट है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
हम क्रिकेट के बारे में सोचते नहीं, सुनते नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. So now I've become a cricket girl. मैं खेलती नहीं पर समझती हूँ.
देखते हैं हम आपको वीडियोस पे
हाँ,
cheering up like anything.
अभी जो समझ में आ रहा है ना, it's fun. It's a lot of fun.
Right? But before going, I would like to ask, Traitors की journey ने कितनी shape करी है आपको?
Oh, बहुत अच्छा सवाल है ये. देखो, Traitors ने it didn't only change my career in a way. It changed me as a person. I am not the same Elnaz that I was before Traitors.
Right?
Yeah, and I can tell you that confidently. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा Traitors में. Traitors से पहले मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा क्योंकि उसके लिए prepare करना मेरे लिए बहुत important था. तो मैंने I think I read 5 to 7 books before going to Traitors. I watched a lot about the game Mafia. I tried to understand the human psyche.
Right.
जब आप human psyche को समझते हो, it's a whole different world. I'm telling you, all of these years, all my life, I didn't understand humans. And now I have understood, and I'm also a person who always trusts very easily, because मुझे लगता है कि because I always I want the best for everybody, always.
Right.
And I always like to be helpful to people. And I never think about what people think about me or what people say about me. क्योंकि कोई क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But once you learn and understand, and Traitors में मैंने ये सीखा है, क्योंकि आपके face में तो कुछ
Everyone
बोलते
is
हैं,
good, है ना?
और आपके पीछे क्या क्या हो रहा है, वो तो जिंदगी में normally ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता है until unless there's a fight between two people and you hear what has happened.
True.
But Traitors में you see, because when I came out and I watched it on TV, I realized, अच्छा उसने ऐसा बोला है, और हालांकि मैं ही ट्रेटर थी और मुझे ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ही सब कुछ पता था क्योंकि इनोसेंस को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कौन क्या है क्या चल रहा है. I was planning everything with my fellow traitors, right? So इसके बावजूद कि मुझे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन था मेरे पास, फिर भी I didn't know a lot of things. So that's where you understand that how careful you have to be of this world and the humans around you. Because not everybody is the way you are.
Yeah.
And we just take people at face value and we think, अरे ये अच्छी दिखती है, अच्छे से बोलती है, क्या करेगी?
And everyone is not your friend.
And
first thing is that.
Your friend.
Yes.
Not everyone is your friend. Yeah. So I am a complete different person after Traitors.
Yeah. You're still friends with the court mates? Right?
Yeah.
We see videos of yours with Urfi, Apurva.
Yeah. I'm very close to Anshula now.
Huh?
Very close, yeah. We became quite close, and it's beautiful friendships I've built through Traitors. Yeah.
But how is friendship going with Purav?
Me and Purav are not in touch much. We have each other on Instagram. I see what he does and then he sees what I do. But we're not in touch much. See, the world also moves on and you do so many different things. And एक तो हम सब इतना busy हैं कि हमारे close लोगों के लिए भी इतना time नहीं मिलता है.
So true. Yeah.
So we just we wish well for each other.
Yeah. But in upcoming times, where we gonna see you?
You're going to see me in 2026, which is not so far away, in my Hollywood film, Hotel Tehran, with Zachary Levi and Liam Neeson, where I'm playing the female lead. That's coming. And next year also, you're going to see me in another Bollywood film, which we're shooting in the beginning of the year.
Wow.
you're gonna see me in lots of music videos that are my own songs.
Oh, you sung it,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes,
I know.
yes. Since I'm doing music now.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, all of that is
And
in
you
the
can't sing
pipeline.
that right now, na?
No, we can't reveal.
चलो एक लाइन तो गुनगुना दो कोई अपनी फेवरेट सॉन्ग बॉलीवुड की. We really want to क्योंकि मैंने लास्ट टाइम सुना है इनको बट ऑफ कैमरा सुना है.
Acha, off camera, where did you hear me?
We in your house only.
Really? What was I doing? Just singing around?
We Tulika were there then that time.
Acha. I mean, I don't know. Favorite songs. I don't know. When you put me on the spot like this, I don't really remember anything. Especially also because right now we're working on a couple of songs of mine. So when you say a song, then I'm thinking about the songs that we're writing and that we're making right now. So मेरे दिमाग में इतना अभी कुछ है नहीं. But what I can tell you something that's very special. And I'm going to reveal that here right now.
Do it, please.
I wasn't going to. But I can say that since till now we were doing English music, but now I'm going a little bit Hindi direction.
Whoa, nice.
ये काफी होना चाहिए आपके लिए.
Nice.
And that was a very exclusive reveal, so you got a little exclusive today.
Thank you so much for that. It means
Thank
a lot. But I wish you good luck. And now you're doing quite a good amount of work and very creative way.
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And I
Thank
know
you.
you since 2 years
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
So I really wish you a good luck and you do wonders in your life. Only
Hopefully.
wonders.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
talking to me.
Thank
It was lovely conversation with you,
Thank you.
Naz.